Rick Bayless was chosen as a culinary hero because not only is he a great person, but he's very highly acclaimed. He's what do I want to say? He's very highly accomplished. He won the James Beard Award for the best chef in the Midwest, best James Beard Award best chef for the United States, James Beard Award for Humanitarian of the Year Award. He's got 9 cookbooks. He's got a TV show. He has a foundation that gives a scholarship, a culinary scholarship to a Mexican American student. You know, his current project is about bringing corn to make tortillas and helping that cause and bring it into Chicago. But you know, I think the most important thing that I enjoy about him is, you know, he's a guy from Oklahoma who grew up in his parents' barbecue restaurant, but he went to Mexico, fell in love with it, and now he's telling the world that Mexican cuisine is much more than tacos.
Yeah, when you're talking about mole in Mexico, it's always for a fiesta, and I thought making a mole for this particular fiesta would be exactly the right thing to do.
Right.
But you don't do it casually. The Oaxacan black mole is the king of all moles. I don't know, maybe we should call it the queen of all moles. I haven't figured out its gender yet, but it takes us in our restaurant 3 full days to make it. And then on the 4th day, we're ready to serve it.